Fantasy sports betting doesn't have to be guesswork. DigiFantasy gives you 3 tools that, when combined, makes your sleep stronger and more profitable. The DFS Optimizer is your entry point, scanning for value props across DFS platforms. The Fantasy Scores tools helps you cross-check player data to make sure the pick is legit. And the DFS Middling tool lowers your risk by finding situations where both sides can lead to a profit. Together, they're like your personal betting team. One finds the play, one confirms it, and one reduces the risk. That's how you level up from casual sleeps to strategic betting. Ready to upgrade your strategy? Sign up for the DigiFantasy bundle using the link in my description and get access to all 3 tools today.